Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Here's mine, Engineer Ubaid Asad from UET Texila, Pakistan. So today we have to learn how to install Abaqus CAE. First of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe this Abaqus 6.14 modeling channel. You have to find many videos related to Abaqus. Please click on subscribe for more videos and lectures of Abaqus and other softwares related to civil engineering and mechanical engineering, although related to dynamics of structures. So let's start. Today's session is about how to install Abaqus Simulia software 6.12. So let's start it. Let's start. So this is the folder. Now we have to start setup exe file. Double click on this one, or you have to install by right click and run as administrator. This one for this is okay. This is Abaqus 6.12 product installer. It's running and executing the general files. So this is no issue. Please continue. For this next, no check. Next. Now from here we have to go for the licensing utilities. This is the folder where you have to want to install C folder, hopefully. Okay, restore default folder. C, and this is Simolia automatically. So here you have to C and next. That option was not working because I have already installed in C. So done. This is for the installation guide in. Copy it. All the items are copied and then go to the C folder where Simolia is installed and lessons, and here paste it, copy and replace, copy and replace, copy and replace, copy and replace. So now this has been done. click on IM tools exe file, not this is exe file, and a box open. This is LM tools by Acresso software. Here you have to use the name system settings. We have to go computer host name, copied from here, copied, and then paste in it abacus.txt file. From here I open abacus.txt file. So from here we have to copy computer host name, it's engineer PC. From here we have to copy it and paste in abacus.txt file, and this is the Ethernet address. We have to copy it from here and paste in this Ethernet, paste in abacus.txt file. This is abacus.txt file. Here we have to cancel this and copy the Ethernet and paste in text file. Copy. This is the Ethernet. Paste here. 27500 is same. Now save it. The file is saved in C. Now we have to start Abaqus keygen, due to which licensing file updated. So now we have to go in configuration services, as we have to browse LM grd file, back in license, here LMGRD file, this is LMGRD exe, updated here, open, and again browse for licensing file, then again Simolia installation types, use services and start server and the save services. Okay. Yes. Then go to start, stop / reread. In this folder we have to start server, already be running, so stop server, now start server successful. So start server, reread license file, click on reread license file, and when it will appear on the bottom of this box that reread license file completed, so our Abaqus keygen updated in this software. Now we have to go towards the copy from here, name, and yes, installation done. Now here licensing server required, as here written 27500, as we have in abacus.txt file, so we have to use 27500 at the rate of engineer, which is the host name of your computer or your PC or laptop, at the rate of that was copied. So here paste it and next. It will verify the DS licensing server. So now here we have to use document text file, abacus.document text file, copied here, copy it now only and paste it at this is the file. This is the file. Version 6.11.11. Close and paste it here. Here, paste it and next. Verifying the URL from the C folder where Simolia is working for the installation. Continue, no issue. Let's continue. And this is the directory. Next, would you like to create it? Yes, because I am overwriting C temperature template. Yes. If you want to choose any other directory, then you should have to create it and then the installation. So the all the licensing and updation of the license is completed. Now it will complete the installation in few times. So this is completed. Next, this has been done successfully. Abaqus 6.12 is installed. So done it. Happy and enjoy the Abaqus Simolia software. So close all the icons of Abaqus Simolia. Thanks. Once again, you should have to see here Abaqus has installed. All the items are installed here where you have to put it. Now I have to start the Abaqus. Refresh the here. Write up Abaqus CE. This folder has been done. So right click and send to a shortcut icon. Send to desktop. Open it. This is the Abaqus software completed. Please enjoy it. Also, once again, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel Abaqus 6.14 modeling, then please click on subscribe for more videos and lectures. Thanks.